The VBS saga has been around a long time. There have been no prosecutions.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubawe ihlathululo yokuthinteka kwakangqongqotjhe wezobulungiswa uThembi Simelane okulandela izwangobatsho nge-VBS.
Namuhla amaphoyisa akhone kuthola umndeni walomhlukunyedwa kepha akukayendwa i-identification.
Bagcine batholakele bekhabo lomntazana isidumbu sakhe esitholakele endleleni R573 eyaziwa ngeMloto Road kwaGafontein kwaNdebele eMpumalanga.
Ayicenga kwakhona iPirates lebhola ayihlaba bayibeka phambili 1-on-1 akekho noSiti ahlala emnatheni uRicardo Khosa akekho uphumile wafika umkhosi
Siqela emidlalo yephaliswano le-MTN 8 wafa edlalwa ebusuku nje. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganisa izindaba kodwa ku-SABC1 ngesindebele lotshani. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubawe umbiko opheleleko nehlathululo kungqongqotjhe wezobulungiswa nokuthuthukiswa komthethosisekelo uThembi Simelane okulandela izwangobatsho yobukhohlakali ezwakele ngaye. Estatementeni asikhuphileko umengameli uthe iyamthwenya lembiko ayizwileko. Imbikindaba ezihlukahlukeneko zibike ngempela veke bona ungqongqotjhe uSimelane batsho uyathinteka ekufumaneni imali ze-VBS ezatholakala ngendlela engakafaneli. Konke lokho batsho kwenzeka lokhu asesengumeyara kumasipalata wePolokwane.
Liseseyindaba ikhulunywa ihlazo lokudliwa kwemali zebhanka ye-VBS. Nje esekuqalwe khulu ngungqongqotjhe wezomthetho uThembi Simelane. Umengameli ukhombele ungqongqotjhe bona aveze umbiko opheleleko abe amhlathululele kuhle ngendaba le. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi zandile imphakamiso zokuthi ungqongqotjhe akavele azozihlambulula ngezwangobatsho yokuthinteka emalini ze-VBS. Kuzokala bona lokho ungqongqotjhe asisengumeyara umasipalata wasisa ngokungemthetho imali engange-349 million rand ku-VBS. Nje umengameli ufuna ihlathululo epheleleko.
President Ramaphosa has noted with concern media reports containing allegations of corruption against the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Ms. Thembi Simelane. The President has requested a detailed report and briefing from the Minister on the matter.
I-Action SA ifuna bona indaba ye-VBS itshejwe beyiphathwe ngendlela ekwaphathwa ngayo indaba yokuthunjwa kwelawulo lombuso.
The VBS saga has been around a long time. There have been no prosecutions. And about a month ago, I wrote to the President to say that with regards to the state capture report, the Independent Directorate of Investigations was not being successful in gaining access to the data. The President wrote back about a week ago to say that they've now proclaimed regulations for the data to be accessed and for prosecutions to proceed. We want to see the same thing with VBS.
Nanyana ezinye inhlangano zepolitiki ziphakamisa bona ungqongqotjhe uSimelane athokoze umsebenzi kodwana i-Action SA ifuna umvikeli womphakathi azokwenza iphenye lizijameleko ngokurhabako.
We want a private independent investigation into this loan to see whether she secured a loan from illicit funds and if indeed it was a loan.
Njengombana ihlazo le-VBS lathoma ukuvela eminyakeni esithandathu edlulileko ngusihlalo walokha webhanka le kwaphela uChief Madotsi ogwetjwe iminyaka eli-15 ejele.
Speaker weParlamente uThoko Didiza ufungise amalunga weParlamente wenhlangano embili MK Party kunye ne-EFF. Hlangana namalunga afungisiweko kubalwa abantu abaziwako kunye nabanye ke babakhona eParlamente.
Namhlanje iParlamente ifungisa amalunga abunane we-MK Party namabili we-EFF. Hlangana nabamalungu we-MK Party kuba lisikhulu saphambilini sePrasa uLucky Montana, ingikhulu zaphambilini zeTransnet uSiyabonga Gama kunye noBrian Mulife kunye noMzwanele Mani mhlapha nje ochiphasi. Umvumo waziwako uEric Gobane owaziwa ngelika Phenipheni naye sekalilunga leParlamente le-MK Party. Usinawo Thambo kunye noNazir Paulsen malunga weParlamente amatsha aphuma ehlanganweni ne-EFF.
Indaba elandelako ingahle ibathikazise benhliziyo ezibuthakathaka. Amapholisa weMpumalanga aphenya ngesehlakalo sokutholakala kwesidumbu somntazana esitholakele esicweyiwe mageka nendlela iR573 eyaziwa ngeMloto Road ncangange kwaGafontein kwaNdebele eMpumalanga. Kanti ke esinye isehlakalo amapholisa aphenya icala lokubulawa komntazinyana weminyaka eli-11 ubudala weHenrina uLwandle Masuku.
Indaba yomntazana lo ithome yavela enkundleni zokuthintana lapho bekubikwa ngokutholakala kwesidumbu sakhe. Umbiko wamapholisa uveza bona isidumbu somntazana lo sicwiyiwe. Bagcine batholakele nabakwabo ngemva kokuthi amapholisa abawe ukuthi bathintane nawo. Nokho batsho bebangakayi uyomhlola.
Mayelana nesigameko lesendeke laphaya kwaGafontein emgwaqweni weR573 lapho kuvulwe khona licala lokubulala emva kokuthi kutholakala isidumbu somuntu wesifazane. Elicala lisachubeka namuhla amaphoyisa akhone kuthola umndeni walomhlukunyetwa kepha akukayendwa i-identification. Basatawuya bayohlola ukuthi nguye ngempela umntwanabo kepha licala lisachubeka akukaboshwa umuntu.
Ngesinye isehlakalo amapholisa bekasabhudulana nomsolwa obulela umntazinyana weminyaka eli-11 ubudala eHenrina uLwandle Masuku. Kutholakele nokuthi ukatiwe ngaphambi kobana abulawe. Nanyana kunjalo amapholisa sekunomuntu abawa ukuthi avele ngaphambili ongahle abalekelele ecaleneli.
Khona babevusi Ngambule una 27 weminyaka sikhiphe isithombe sakhe baphenyi bayathemba ukuthi ke angalekelela amaphoyisa kuleli phenyo lelisachubekako. Siyacela ukuthi uma mhlambe labambonako bamtshele ukuthi amaphoyisa ayamfuna.
Inomboro yamapholisa ithi 08600 10111.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngayo le ndaba yokutholakala kwesidumbu somntazana endleleni R573 esinye sayokutholakala eHenrina eMpumalanga. Nakumbona okhelandela mbukele.
Esingakucela nje emaphoyiseni ukuthi asebenze ngokuyikhandla ukwazi ukuthi athole lezi igilamkhuba.
Ngiliyelelise abantwana nabantu besibomama ukuthi balise kunandi bakhwela inkoloyi abangazaziko bakhamba nabantu abangabazi.
Until fasila South Africa le tseneke njwano. Until plawuche kaka di tswa kae.
Ilula le ndaba i-justice system yethu ayisebenzi manje. Umuntu otholakele necala life sentence.
Kuhlungu khulu lokho okwenzakele. Kodwa namaphoyisa azoba bathole.
Insuku zokugcina zathusa izitezo abantu usungaze ubulela abantu ngehluko esikanje.
Ngazi ukuthi umphathi amaphoyisa ngake abe nemikhankaso emikhulu azoyenza.
Ngamanye amaxesha bayaziwa ngabahlali. Abahlali boyikusela ubomi babo.
Amaphoyisa kuyofanele ukuthi asebenze ngokuyikhandla asebenze kanzima ngempela la eMzansi.
Abantu abathola udeleka jele noma isigwebo sentambo kwaphela nje.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kubhubha abantu abali-10 kwathi abanye balimala ibhesi bebakhamba ngayo nayizakugeduka endleleni N1 eLouis Richards eLimpopo. Ingozi le yenzeke ngaphambi kokudabuka kokusa izolo. Ibhesi le beyivela eZimbabwe ichinga eJohannesburg nayizakuchayisa.
Iphenyo laphambi kwesikhathi lenziweko liveze bona ibhesi yeqe isquire gijima ngebelo eliphezulu umtshayeli yaphenduka nanyani zakubulala 10 labantu ekuboma abahlanu namadoda amahlanu abanye abakhweli balimele. Imphathimandla zithi abalimeleko bagijinyiswe esibhedlela se-Elim nesemakhado.
What we know is that there has been a bus accident yesterday night where 10 people are said to be have perished from the earth. We don't know what happened. For now, there's nothing that we can say.
Esinye sakhamuzi esihlalahlanu kwesquire sengozi sithi vele indawo le inengozi eziningi. Sithi batsho sezinyanga amaleha angasebenzi esquire neso.
The municipality mustn't come and say Sunroll doesn't pay their lights. At this stage, I believe the lights are not working because of cable theft. So that's our major concern.
Nanyana kunjalo, imphathimandla zithi unobangela wengozi usaphenyisiswa.
If things like this has happened, many things will be said, but each and every car has got lights. I think let us start from there. If a mistake has happened, it has happened, and I'm not like convinced that the driver was driving that circle for the first time.
Usomkhandlu Mathe uvakatshele embhedlela se-Elim nesemakhado lapho kulaliswe khona abalimeleko. Uthumele namagama okuchiriya emndenini ebhujelweko.
Njengombana ilizwe lilungiselela ilanga elikhulu lokuthoma kwehlelo le-2 port system, abasebenzi abanye bakamasipalata bathwenyekile ngokuthi ngenzeka bangakulungeli ukufumana imali zepenshini ngonobangela wokungalandeli imithetho kwabaqashi babo. Isamu ithi ihlangana nemkhulumiswano mayelana nabanye abamasipalata ebesele baneminyaka babhalelwa kulandela imithetho yokubhadela impenshini zabasebenzi.
Ngokutsho kwe-Financial Sector Conduct Authority, abaqatsha bangabhadelela abasebenzi babo imali yepension namkha ye-Provident Fund baphula umthetho i-Section 13A we-Pension Funds Act 1956 kanti bangahlawuliswa.
It's still upon the retirement fund and its trustees to communicate with its members, right? Because the contract is between the fund and the members.
Abasebenzi bakumasipalata state bagcine bakhulumile bathi ingasuthi bayayiloba ipe bayilwa nomasipalata namkha nesikhwama esiphatha ipensheni yabasebenzi bakwamasipalata. Abasebenzi abanengi bangaphasi kwe-union isamu batsho kwakhona samu bafumene imitato eminingi yabantu ababuza ngemali zabo zepensheni, abanye bathonyekile ngalokhu. Union ithi into yenzeka kumasipalata wemafube yenzeka nakabanye abomasipalata.
What we have done from our side is that we have referred various cases to the PFA. We have received some of the determinations which we are processing with attorneys and ensuring that our members are getting what they are entitled to.
Isikhwama sepensheni yabasebenzi bakwamasipalata sithi lapho kunye sibopheke izandla ngombana sesigijimisana amakhotho nabomasipalata nje.
Some municipalities have been caught with us for various reasons, where we were issuing warrants of execution against the assets, against the bank accounts. We have come to a point where we took their bank accounts. In some areas, the process of making senior officials accountable.
Gandhi njengomana libandamela ilanga lokuthoma lenyanga ezako lapha abantu bayokuthoma ukudosa khona ingcenye emalini yepensheni. Imphathimandla zibawe ukuthi abantu ababekezele kobanyana ihlelweli likhambe kuhle nokuthi abantu bafundiswe ngendlela engakhonakala ngakhona bona bazwisise.
Igqwetha ecaleni lokubulawa kwakameyiwa litsho lagandelela bona kwadunyuzwa amahlandla amathathu lapho kwabhubhela khona ekutanile yebholo. Lokhu kunjengombana uZandi Khumalo, uMthokozi Sithwala noTumelo Madlala ekhabe bangendlini mhloko bakufakazele lokho.
Igqwetha liveze nokuthi uLongethwala wadunyuzwa ngelinye lenkulezo bekwayana kwaDorhotere. Kodwana uChris Mangeno sachuka ngembuzo udzimelele ekutheni kwadunyuzwa amahlandla amabili kwaphela ngendlini.
Three shots were fired. One shot is the one that caused injury to Zandi on her leg. The other shot is the one that Longethwala shot himself on the leg while they were struggling for the gun. The third one is the one that shot Senzo Meyiwa. But I'm not mentioning them according to the sequence of how they happened. I mean, all these three shots, they caused injury to Zandi. The one was stuck in the ankle of Longethwala, and the other one is the one who shot Senzo dead.
Igqwetha Sipho Kamsipidi kewalinga nokutshitshila nempendulo malungana nenkombe ezisekuleni.
He cannot say either way that the exhibit bullet
was fired from the exhibit firearm.
But the individual characteristics were there.
Some individual characteristics.
Were there.
Yes.
Some of them were there.
Yes, but they were not insufficient agreement.
But for me, they were sufficient enough to say that it's positive.
Indoda yasinda mhlazana kudunyuzwa bekubulawa bomma ababili intumbu zabo ezatholakala ehogweni eMfarike ePolokwane ngaphandle kweLimpopo ihlathulule ilanga ekwenzeka ngalo isehlakalwesi. Umabutho Mncube ohlala eMogodopong nguye wakhona ukuyokufuna isizo ngemva kokudunyuzwa komkakhe kunye nomngane kenkosikazi yakhe. Abasola abathathu basasejele kunje.
I go back again to my wife. Then I say, can't you manage to work with what? With your back? Maybe you can find the help from the tarot.
Magama wokugcina wakhumbula kakhulunywa mkakhe ngaphambi kokuthi amchiye lapha abalekele eplasini leMfariki ekukulapho umkakhe nomnganakhe baphelela khona. Ngesikhathi sokuthiwa umkakhe ukutsa indlovu nabantwana abane khabo phakhulu ngemva kokudunyuzwa. Uncube uthi naye wayeni ngapha ubalekela ukudunyuzwa kwasolo kuphikelela endlebeni zakhe.
I forgot that you can call 111. All those things I forgot.
Bachona phezulu kokuthi wayopha njalo wayesaba ukuthi uza kulahlekelwa zingazi eziningi agcina yathile. Bacho wathumela umlayezo omsinyana ngefoni yakhe abawisizo. Lathi isizo nalifikako wagijinyiswa esibhedlela esiseduze. Khabangazi nokuthi unkosikazi yakhe akasekho nokuthi isidumbu sakhe saphosele wogeni eMfariki nesomkhozi yakhe uma uthi kwakunganamfariki laba bekhona mhlanokho.
Where I lived with my wife, there was no pigs. In the core of the pig, she was outside, maybe 10 to 15 away from the pig core. That's why I'm saying, when I heard that he was put in the pig core, I feel ashamed for myself.
Uncube umkakhe kunye nomngane kankosikazi yakhe bacho khabe badopa amayogadi nejuice ngaphambi kokuthi barakelelwe. Uncube uthi yinto ejayelekile kwendaweni abahlala kiyo kunando bayokudopa izinto eplasini. Uthi ukhumbula bona inthunzi zabantu zimfuna ebumnyameni ngemva kwalokho kwathuthumba isigidi.
The white man was wearing a cap. And when I left there, when I started crying at the place where I was sleeping, the other one light the torch, not the torch, but the screen of the phone. So I managed to see that he was wearing a short, a white man.
Yombili imndeni le iyokubulunga ngosondo. Kwakhathesa abasolwa abathathu bayokuvela ekhotho ngelesihlanu.
Bakhuphukela phezulu ngokuletha amachuguluko ekorweni yemphaphamshini. Ikoro yaziwa njengekoro yande ngamadoda le sele ibona ukukhuphuka kwesibalo sabantu bengubo abangena ekorweni le. Nanyana kunjalo kusakhuthaza abantu bengubo ukuthi bangene ngobuningi emkhakheni lo.
Ukusukela ebantwaneni uJarita von Losberg besele azi ukuthi ufuna ukuchayela imphaphamtshini. Kanti solo kwalokho beyanda itshisakalo yokuphumelelisa ibhudango lakhe. Kanti ngemva kweminyaka eli-16 ukhonile ukuphumelelisa ibhudango lakhe. Kanti njenganje uVon Losberg umchayeli wemphaphamtshini othwasisiweko kunye nomcimi imlilo wemoyeni eKhushuki Working on Fire ucima imlilo elizweni lonke.
I was so interested in that when I figured out what we do, how it works, how we can make a difference in the environment and everyday life. I got very interested in it, so I sent my CV, I got in.
Ukucima imlilo khulukhulu esemoyeni kumsebenzi obudisi begodu unobungozi phakathi. Njengomuntu osebenza ngokuzikhandla uMasha Nyajeka akasabi ukusilaphaza izandla zakhe. Kanti usebenza njengomhleli wokulungiswa kwemphaphamtshini uqinisekisa ukuphepha kwazo.
This then our aircraft are fully serviceable and safe to fly, which brings the issue of safety for our pilots, safety of our machines, and safety means a happy working environment.
Aboma basekorweni le bakhuthaza abanye abantu bengubo ukuthi bangene emkhakheni wokutshayela imphaphamtshini. Nanyana ikoro le yande ngamadoda kodwana ikampani yeKhushuki Aviation isibonele esihle ngokuba nabantu bengubo abaningi abasebenza enkhundleni zobuholi.
For us as a proudly South African entity and company that embraces the value one obtains from diversity, it's very important to be an inclusive entity that includes female participation on the highest level in the organization.
Kanti ikoro le ithemba ukukhuthaza amachuguluko ekorweni yemphaphamtshini.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemali iranda liyabogaboga nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Kanti kezemidlalo uyaraga umdlalo phakathi kweCape Town City neOrlando Pirates. Lo mdlalo wama-semi-final we-MTN 8 bekufanele udlalwe izolo kodwa wathwila ngonobangela wobujamo bezulu. Komunye umdlalo iMamelodi Sundowns yokuqalana neStellenbosch eLucas Moripe Stadium. Asiqale bona kuhamba njani bekube nje. Singakakhambi asilunguze abazumi bona bayofumene nonile konaye inyamazana namhlanje. Masango kuzumekile.
Khake asithokoze Thandeka ufika kithi nje namhlanje ehlelweni zibuya nabazumi ngempondo zokuboleka Sibusiso Sikhosana usaphumile sikhuluma ngelekambiso etsha eyokuthinda imali zomhlala phasi ukuthi ilabo abafake isibawo sesihlukaniso somtchato lekambiso yemali zomhlala phasi iyozithinda njani ehlangothini lokuthi ukubhadeliswa komthelo lekambiso etsha ethinda imali zomhlala phasi iyozithinda njani ehlangothini lokubhadeliswa komthelo khuthe Mandebele isibizelwa siyethusa sibuyele ngakuwe Thandeka.
Kuzwakela sithokoze Masango njenganje asiqale ubujamo bezulu.
Siloshisile ekhaya msinyazana vele ke sicalele napha endaweni yange Cape Town kulindeleke amathuba wezulu alinganiswa ku30% kuthi nangapha ke ngale ndaweni zabo KZN nakhona ngale ngeDurban anjalo ke amathuba wezulu livalile nje Cape Town kanike kusasa amathuba wezulu athi uqina ngale ke ngeDurban nge60% kubonakala ke nekungu ezaba khona kileyo ndawo sibone lapha ke isilemukiso la ikhonakalo yomlilo umango kuleza ndawo zabo phulukwane kuthi lwandle libekhala ukusuka ngale ngeTshingalanga ukuza ngapha ngeSewula nangapha ngePumalanga ngale ke ngakubo Cape Town kanti ke sicaleke ukuthi kusasa kuzabe kujame njani nasitholile lapha isilemukiso sibe sinye nje kwaphela lilwandle libukhali ngaphange endaweni zange Durban sizokusuduka ukwazi ukuthi ubone anjani amazinga okushisa iGauteng ibonakala ipholile ekseni ngokukhamba kwelanga sibona lapha ke iyafuthumela iPitori nge25 nalapha eJohannesburg iLimpopo sibona lapha ke nayo ithoma imakhazana ekseni kuphole ukuthi ngokukhamba kwesikhathi lapha ke eThohoyandou ukuthi 25 ukufuthumela eMpumalanga sibona ke ngokukhamba kwesikhathi lapha isikhukhuza kuyachisa kodwa nabo Middelburg nangapho ke ngeCarolina kubonakala kumakhaza lapha eMelo nangemva kwamadina nge13 iKwaZulu Natal imakhaza njengoba ke sabona lapha ke umoya omakhaza uchidela kilesa sifunda imini yonke kumakhaza nangale ke ngePumalanga Kapa endaweni eziningi mbatha ufuthumele ubusika kwangabuyile nangale ke ngeWestern Cape kubonakala kusesemakhaza endaweni eziningi ngomoya loya ochideleko omakhaza lapha ke eNorthern Cape ngezinye indawo ke libuya ngane njengalapha kumakhaza eCalvin nge13 nangemva kwamadina kumakhaza Clay Freystata ibonakala ke yona ipholile lapha kuboSasolburg kodwa nawuchinga eSewula nenaga namkhana nesifunda kubonakala ke kumakhaza pheze ke nakhona imini yonke iNorthwest ke yona ke ifuthumele lapha eRustenburg nawehla nesifunda uchinga ngaleke ngeTlagwini namkhana ke ngeSewula sibonakala ke siphola kamnanjazana ngemva kwamadina sibona nekoti ngesikhathi esilandelako Tido